BJP headquarters, it's been an absolute seesaw situation for strategists like Ram Madhav, who's watching the monitors here, 1 minute seeing JDU behind and now the BJP behind. Now, with this particular situation, are you ready to concede defeat?
If there is defeat at the end of the day, we will accept it. Why should we be doing it now and not doing it later?
Yes.
Half an hour ago, you yourself knew things were different.
Absolutely.
Now things seem different.
Yes.
Whatever is the mandate, we accept. It's democracy. We have to accept. We have options.
One or two main things which you think perhaps went wrong in this campaign?
See, I do not believe that any one factor could have led to a victory or a defeat.
Sure.
There will be several factors. We need time to analyze.
But one or two major things,
like our adversaries, we also have put in all our energies in this election, all our resources in this election. Just in the sense that human resources.
Right.
So we will analyze what must have resulted in this kind of outcome.
I just spoke to Sharad Yadav. He said one of the big factors was this Mohan Bhagwat statement. You must have heard this several times, that damaged you greatly, his call to review the reservation process. In hindsight, did that have some damaging potential for you?
I don't think so, because in the run-up to the election, so many things were, so many attempts were made to bring in extraneous issues, like even this award wops and all that. I think it has something to do with Bihar election. So there was effort to use every issue to influence the outcome of this election. But allow us some time to analyze.
But did that also have an impact, this whole business of intolerance and all of that? Do you think that somewhere it is reflecting in the results?
I really don't know, because unless I have to study the 92 wins, how did we win these 92 seats?
Right.
Then I can tell what factors must have affected this kind of, resulted in this kind of outcome.
Does this indicate that the popularity and the traction with which you came in 2014, the Modi wave as it was called, has now started to wane and wane dramatically?
Two different elections. 2014 was a different election. We were fighting against a different adversary. Bihar was a different election. We were fighting against a totally different adversary.
But it was very much on the back of Mr. Modi's campaign and leadership, even the Bihar election. He was very much the face of your campaign, and he campaigned extensively.
No, see, that's why I'm saying in any election, especially in an election like Bihar, do you expect us to not use our strongest factors? We use our strongest factors. That's why probably I will say... No,
you must deploy your strongest factors. I'm just saying that are those factors now not yielding you the results, the dividends that you thought that they should? And has there been a change in the way that he's perceived?
No, I would say that the results that we got probably are because we used our we deployed our good factors. Yes, probably we could not get the required numbers. At the end of the day, we may end up somewhere. But then whatever we got because of our best factors.
And the fact that Mr. Amit Shah again put everything that he had into it, and the inevitable questions that will be asked about whether or not this is a question mark over the Amit Shah brand of election management.
No, see, that's why I said elections are won or lost on not any single factor. There will be several factors. We will analyze all those factors. We will come to a final decision.
Last question to you as a key strategist of the BJP. Would you look forward now to seeing anything that you would like to change about the way that you fight elections? Again, some people said that you ran, at least towards the end, a fairly negative campaign. It was a kind of a polarizing campaign. Are there certain aspects of how you fight an election? Is that going to change after this?
No, Srinivasan, why do you think that we don't analyze and try and take some lessons from every election? We will do that. After all, we are in politics to win elections.
I'm acknowledging that. I'm asking you, is there anything that you offhand would think that prima facie that you would like to see change or be different?
But that I ask you to give us some more time. We will analyze what went wrong in Bihar, and we will definitely take corrective steps if this is going to be the final result.
You will take corrective steps.
Obviously, if this is going to be the final result, we have to think of how to perform better in next elections.
But the leadership of the campaigns, Modi-Shah combination, that remains uncontested. You will continue to use that model.
Each election.
You didn't go with the chief ministerial candidate. Is that going to be again something which you perhaps would like to rethink?
Each election will be different. That's why I said we have to analyze and take some lessons from here.
Okay.
And in a different election, it will be a different strategy.
Ram Madhav, thanks very much for talking to us.